Hello guys, how are you? I'm just going to show you how to make one of my favourite drinks, or is it a favourite food? I'm sort of in between with this because you can eat it with a spoon or you can drink it like a drink. But I'm going to show you one of my favourite foods, the smoothie, and how to make that smoothie. Okay, I'll just go through all the ingredients, a bit like George's Marvellous Medicine. I've got some ice, I've got a banana, I've got my milk, I've got my frozen fruit, blueberries, mango, raspberries, or summer mixed fruit. Now I'm not going to be using all of those. I prefer the summer mixed fruit. My wife prefers raspberries and mangoes and blueberries. So it's to your taste as to what you would use. But I find with the summer mixed fruit, I've got strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, all in one there. Before I start any of this, anytime you're working with food, you must wash your hands. So I'm just going to wash my hands thoroughly. Get rid of those germs. Wash your hands like that, all over. Give them a good wash and a rinse. I'll go to my handy paper towel. Put that in the bin. Okay, so we're ready to start. So we'll start with the banana. Now the banana is at room temperature out of the banana basket, or the fruit basket there. You can, in summer, put bananas into the fridge and have them colder. But I find with the ice, it's not a problem. So I'm going to peel my banana first. Now, because I'm dealing with children here with sharp knives, I would prefer if you just break off the banana in portions, so you don't have to use a sharp knife, and we don't have the problem of cutting ourselves. Okay, so there's my banana in portions. Then I add some ice. Not too much, because you've got to remember this is frozen as well. So you don't need a lot of ice. So you can see about that much there. I might add a little bit more maybe. And that'll do. Okay. So my choice of fruit, frozen fruit, is the mixed fruit. It's got, as I said, it's got raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, all in one. But depending on what your taste is, you can put anything in. Now, for children, I'd say that's enough. But for Mr Downie, that's enough. Okay. No, it's not enough. I've got to have some more. A little bit more. I might be able to sneak a few more of those in. Is there a strawberry there? Ah, there's a strawberry. Well done. Okay, so I've got my strawberries in. I've got my fruit in. So I've got my fruit. I've got my ice. And I've got my banana. Now, oh, I'll get rid of that. Clean that up. Now, the last ingredient is the milk. Now, it's up to you if you want to put some ice cream in there. I don't particularly put ice cream in it, but you can put ice cream in there as an added ingredient. But I just go with the milk and I fill it up to the top of the fruit. That's Mr Downie size portion. You guys might only fill it up to about there with the fruit, but this is what I like to have. Then I've got the top of this NutriBullet. Now, if you've got a NutriBullet at home, inside here is a rubber seal. Now, sometimes it comes loose. So you've got to make sure that that rubber seal is tightly in the circumference of the circle there. We have this blade that spins very, very fast, and it mixes up the fruit very, very quickly. In fact, seconds, basically, it spins very, very quickly. But make sure that that rubber ring, that rubber seal, is firmly in there. Then I simply put the top of that onto my NutriBullet, making sure that I don't cross thread the plastic thread, and making sure, guys, that I've got it firmly tightened. I've made a mistake when I first started using these. I only just tightened it a little bit and put it in, and then I had mess everywhere. So you've got to make sure it's tightened. Then I turn it upside down. So that's how it looks. So I've got my banana, my ice, my fruit, and my milk in between. So simply, I push down on the turn it back, all done. Now, sometimes there's a suction formed in here, or like a vacuum. So I'll just turn it very, very carefully. And hold on. And then I just get all the residue out of there. Go and wash up, clean up, always clean up after yourself. So, clean up. Very important, keep mum and dad happy, keep a clean kitchen. Then I go and get my trusty spoon. And here's where, when I started off saying, is it a drink or is it a food? Well, I can eat it like a food or I can drink it like a drink. And there's my finished smoothie. And it is delicious. Thank you, guys.